How to fix Google Chrome not responding error. Here are 7 possible solutions that would help fix Google Chrome not responding error. 1. Make sure you are connected to the internet. 2. Clear cache and cookies in Google. 3. Close Chrome properly, quit. 4. Disable your Chrome extensions one by one. 5. Back up your Chrome data, like bookmarks and passwords, reset all Chrome settings. 6. Run Chrome malware scanner. 7. Remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall Chrome.